GRAT Energy is a leading manufacturer of residential and commercial heat pump solutions in China. With two major production bases in Sichuan and Guangdong, GRAT offers a comprehensive portfolio of heat pump products, including swimming pool heat pumps, water heater heat pumps, and heating and cooling systems. Today, GRAT products are exported to more than 120 countries and regions worldwide, serving customers across the United States, Europe, the Middle East, South America, Australia, and beyond. As a core focus of the company's long-term development, the heat pump business is built on strong engineering capabilities, advanced manufacturing systems, and a clear commitment to becoming a world-class air conditioning and heat pump brand. In 2019, GRAT launched its Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park, covering a planned area of approximately 120 acres with over 322,000 square meters of modern production facilities. Powered by inverter technology and intelligent manufacturing, GRAT continues to deliver efficient, reliable, and sustainable heating and cooling solutions for a better global living environment.